Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video we'll learn how to fix Windows 10 Explorer crash error. So first thing you have to do, go to start menu and now type here REGEDIT. Now open this. Now scroll this one and make like this. Now click this one, H key current user, and in here click on software. Now click on classes. Now scroll down and find out local settings. This one, local setting, and in here go to software, go to Microsoft, click on Windows. Now go to shell. Now you will find 3 folder. Now click on first folder. So click right button of your mouse and click on delete. Yes. Second one, click right button of your mouse and click on delete. Now close this one and restart your PC. I hope this method will fix the Windows Explorer crashes error. Thanks for watching this video.